Digital transformation in modern marketing. Digital transformation is the process of integrating digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how businesses operate and deliver value to customers. It's not just about adding a few gadgets or using social media, it's a complete rethinking of business processes, customer interactions, and even organizational culture. It's about leveraging technology to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. Digital transformation is no longer optional for marketers, it's essential for survival and success in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Several factors drive this importance. Customer behavior has drastically changed, with consumers spending more time online and expecting personalized experiences. Competition has intensified, with businesses vying for attention in a crowded digital space. Digital transformation provides access to vast amounts of data, allowing marketers to gain valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. It enables personalized experiences that build stronger customer relationships. Finally, digital marketing offers measurable results, allowing marketers to track ROI and optimize campaigns effectively. Digital transformation in marketing encompasses several key components. Data analytics plays a crucial role in understanding customer behavior and measuring campaign effectiveness. Customer experience is paramount, with digital tools enabling personalized and seamless interactions. Marketing automation streamlines repetitive tasks and improves efficiency. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable and engaging content to attract and retain customers. Social media marketing leverages social platforms to connect with audiences and build brand awareness. Search engine optimization ensures visibility in search results. Mobile marketing caters to the growing number of mobile users. These components work together to create a holistic and effective digital marketing strategy. Data analytics is the backbone of digital marketing. It involves collecting data from various sources, analyzing that data to identify patterns and trends, and interpreting the results to understand customer behavior and measure campaign performance. This provides valuable insights that inform marketing strategies and enable data-driven decision-making. In the digital age, customer experience is more critical than ever. Customers expect personalized and seamless interactions across all touchpoints, from browsing a website to contacting customer support. Digital transformation enables marketers to deliver tailored experiences that build stronger customer relationships and foster loyalty. Marketing automation involves using software to automate repetitive marketing tasks, such as email marketing, social media posting, and lead nurturing. This improves efficiency, reduces manual errors, and frees up marketers to focus on more strategic initiatives, such as campaign planning and creative development. Content marketing focuses on creating and distributing valuable and engaging content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and, ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. This content can take many forms, including blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and ebooks. Effective content marketing provides value to the target audience and establishes the brand as a thought leader. Social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with target audiences, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to websites. It's about engaging with followers, sharing valuable content, and running targeted advertising campaigns. Search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing website content and structure to improve visibility in search engine results pages. The goal is to drive organic traffic to websites by ranking higher for relevant keywords. Mobile marketing focuses on reaching target audiences through mobile devices. This includes having mobile-optimized websites, developing mobile apps, and using SMS marketing to communicate with customers. With the increasing use of smartphones, mobile marketing is a crucial component of any digital marketing strategy. Digital transformation in marketing presents several challenges. Keeping up with rapidly evolving technology requires continuous learning and adaptation. Data security and privacy are paramount, with businesses needing to comply with regulations and protect customer data. Measuring ROI can be complex, as it requires tracking various metrics across different channels. Integrating new digital tools with existing systems can also be a challenge. To summarize, digital transformation is no longer a choice but an essential requirement for success in the modern marketing landscape. It encompasses various key components, including data analytics, customer experience, marketing automation, content marketing, social media marketing, SEO, and mobile marketing. Successful digital transformation requires a strategic approach, a commitment to continuous learning, and ongoing adaptation to the ever-changing digital environment.